Hi beautiful people, I'm KimmyBoutiki. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited. I have a new beauty box subscription. So you guys know that I have been getting the BoxyCharm for a while, and I discovered a new fabulous box that has even more fabulous items, and I can't wait to share it with you. This is the Tribe Beauty Box, guys. The box is hella cute. And just a sneak peek, look at that. I got a NARS lippy, girl. You better stop. This box is $34.99. You get 5 full-size items. Definitely, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so you can get your hands on it as well. Guys, I have to tell you, this is my first gift from a brand. As not sponsored, they are not cutting me a check to do this video. They sent me the products and hopefully that I would like them, so they reached out to me, and I was so grateful that they even watched a video of mine and thought like, hey, let me send this to KimmyBoutiki. Like, I think she'll like these products, you know. And thank you so much, Tribe Beauty Box. Thank you. I want to share with you all the full-size items I got in here, and I am going to put them to work for you as well. Okay, so you want to get into this box? I know you do. All right, let's go. The Vasanti Makeup Magnet Wipes. They're cleansing wipes using the micellar water, and this retails for $12. These 3 brushes from the Crown Trio brush set retails for $29.99, and it's all premium synthetic bristles. So Susan Hot Light Highlighting Pencil. Makeup Geek signature eyeshadows, and they cost $6 each. Peach Smoothie, and it's a soft peachy orange with a matte finish. Aphrodite, and it's a deep plum brown with a matte finish. Shimmer, it's a light pinky beige with a shimmery finish. I got the NARS Lip Glide, which retails for $26. It's long-lasting lip color with a smooth satin to semi-matte finish that provides ultimate hydration. So I do like this brush set. I already love crown brushes, so this was definitely an A+ for me to receive these. The Vasanti Makeup Wipes Micellar Water. I've never tried a micellar water makeup cleanser, so I am excited to try these. And you can never have too many makeup wipes. You get 30 in here, so this is gonna last you a whole month. The big surpriser for the box for me was this highlighting pencil. It looks so beautiful under my brows, like, and it helps clean them up without having to like use like really wet concealer. So this worked out really like surprisingly. Like, where have I been with highlighting pens? Like, and it looks really good in the waterline. Just that little pop to make you look like I'm all awake, girl. And I also received 3 Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I already put them in my Makeup Geek palette because I already love Makeup Geek shadows, so you know it's hella lit. These 3 in the corner are the new ones to the family. Makeup Geek eyeshadows are totally popping. I don't know why you don't see them all over social media like we used to. These eyeshadows are still hella popping. Get your hands on them. Get your Tribe Beauty Box. Last but not least, the very high-end NARS Lippy. Like, NARS is super duper expensive, so it makes sense that the box was $34.99. Like, they are putting really amazing products in the box. This color, like, they know me. And they threw in the little popper that goes on the back of your phone. This alone can cost $20. I've seen different brands that put their logo on there and they charge hella money for these little damn phone popper thingies. Anyway, I finally have one. I rep my tribe in the TBB, which means Tribe Beauty Box. You guys saw everything in use. I've been having Makeup Geek, like, been doing that. Been wearing NARS. So I was super happy with everything I got in my box. Yay! As always, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're feeling amazing, fabulous, healthy, happy, wherever you are, aka Boutiki, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! And if you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you are notified of every KimmyBoutiki upload. Gang, 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 notification squad. I have a new, and if you're new to this brush set, Say that 3 times fast. So, you got a little more time. There you go, there you go. Ooh. Watch those, watch those. Watch those, watch those. Anyway, guys, I love you. Please watch a couple more videos if you feel like it. You know, I'm not gonna pressure you or anything like that. But hopefully I'll see you next time. Mwah.